post-game press conference. Congratulations to the USD Ground Tigers for beating the Ateneo Blue Eagles 9-8 to 8-9 in triple overtime. We have assistant coach Juno Soler, Chelo Crisostomo, Forty Patrigao, and Nika Banyan. First, Coach Juno, nice to see you again. Congratulations for this victory. Your thoughts about this classical game tonight? What can you say?
Triple overtime, throw away the numbers, it was all hard from both teams. I have to give credit also to the players of Ateneo. Both teams got theirs going down already because of fatigue and cramps, but we fought all the way. No one wanted to drop, so just boiled down to the last quarter, Ateneo really made shots.
Thank you. To Nick, you have 22 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals, and plus 13. Grabe, dinaanan mo this season, this game. So ano yung masasabi mo sa grit na pinakita ng Growling Tigers para talunin nyo yung Ateneo sa kanilang Blue Eagles?
Yun nga, may advantage sila dahil kung hindi namin inisip yun, importante mo ang inisip na talaga namin is kahit kaya ng manalo ko yung stage niya. Hindi naman mangyayari yung dahil sa tiwala at tulungan ng 30 players and coaches.
Thank you. Suchelo, you have a solid team of 18.17 rebounds, 4 assists. So, you know, very crucial yung mga baskets mo nung regulation dahil itong overtime. So, ano masasabi mo na yung nga naikawin nyo yung Ateneo at sa home court mo nila? Chelo, ano masasabi mo?
Sinabi mo sa lahat, hindi siya. Napakaganda po yung laro na ito na lumabas lahat ng laro po namin. Yun lang na rin po ito namin na parang bawi na rin po namin yung last season na katama rin po ako sa mga po namin.
Set, okay, to work. Yeah, 20 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists. So, ano yun na? Sa Puligan Gym pa, yung first of possibly yung mga training games mo against Ateneo. So, ano masasabi mo na yung nga nanalo mo yung rito sa home court niya?
You know, just happy na the team showed hard to na led us to the win here. Pero wala talagang pag-run yung game winning na yun, all we need to do was show our heart, show our grit, and it paid off ng dulo. But yeah, grabe yung, I mean, even with Ateneo, grabe yung with our respect with them kasi they've been battling with us, especially nung tatlong 3 overtimes. So yun, just, wanna rest.